Alright, we're gonna go fly around and just try to explore this place before I get too crazy with it. Well, I always say that, we'll see. If I break it, I break it, right? Make a video about repairing it, I guess. Alright. Well. I need a new chest mount. This thing is like, my radio strap is underneath it and like bouncing it up. So you're gonna have to deal with that. This place is pretty cool. It is like maybe a quarter mile from the other spot I usually go to, so I had to go to somewhere new today. I'm a little concerned about video because there's a lot of trees out here. A lot. Like that.
Disarmed.
Oh, fuck.
Telemetry lost.
God. Shit. Well, sorry for the language. I guess we're gonna find it. Hopefully she ain't stuck. Hopefully I can get it out if she is. Didn't sound like it fell. She's probably stuck. Alright, it is right there. All the way in that long. So if I can get to that branch, probably shake it out. I don't know. This sucks, man. I hate when this happens. How am I gonna get up this thing? I can throw a hammer in this little. If I'll make it up there, I can try. Let's try this thing. It's sticky. It's so tall. Doesn't look tall from the back there, but damn. And it's like all the way up there too. I can definitely make it. Just gotta hit it. Oh. Ah, I was right next to it. Ah. Come on.
Two hours later.
Oh, she broke probably, but it's down. That's how you recover a drone, baby. This thing, best $3 I ever spent. Yes. Oh, motors are good, motors are good, good. That's a little loose, that's okay. Nothing even bent. Surprised the GoPro's still working from that fall. Wow. Better subscribe, like all that for this. This is the kind of content I bring you. Woo! Finally. That took me like 40 minutes. However long, probably not that long, but it took me a while. Woo! Yes. Hell yeah.